Good day, traders. Hope y'all are good and superb. I personally am feeling godly for no particular reason, just because I chose to feel godly. Yes, sir, it's been a while. It's been a while since my last video. I only got 2 videos, by the way. It's me, the boring guy, if you're new to the channel. Most of y'all are new because I got like only 3 subscribers. Come on, man. Y'all can do better. Y'all can do better, man. Just click that red button. It won't hurt. Trader to trader. Just hit that button, man. Because now more content is coming, man. More content is coming. More videos like this one. Every week I'm planning to shoot this kind of videos. Break down and break down my trading with you and share my knowledge with you guys. Yeah. A lot has happened since last year, since I posted my last video, man. I went through silent breakdowns, contemplated about quitting, blue accounts, a lot, man, a lot. But what I can say right now is that we up now, even though we don't got the proof yet, but mentally we up now. Yeah, guys. What I have for y'all is that, man, don't quit, man. Don't quit. Push. There's hope, man. As long as you don't cut your journey short, you are inevitably going to eat, my brother or my sister. Keep on pushing, guys, as I am. So CRT. I mean, I just picked up the camera. It's not that I got an agenda or like an agenda or minutes. Yeah, I'm just basically yapping, man. So you'll see on the video that I'm now utilizing the CRT strategy, right? The candle range theory. So I'm basically looking at the weekly chart. I'm trading all the currency pairs now. Weekly charts, looking for the CRT formations, then dropping down to the hour 4 and the hour 1 to execute. So my hour 1 is where execute. But man, those are like the technicals and practical side of this. What I want to tell you is that tap into you, man, your soul. You gotta know that you're a spiritual being having a human experience. Those are not my words, but they are the truth. They are truth like that. We spend a lot of time like trying to figure out external things, like trying to put in the work, put in the hours. Yes, don't get me wrong. You gotta put in the work, you gotta put in the hours, but you can still do so, but without like being grounded within, without being like tapped in spiritually, man. You're just wasting your time, I tell you, because everything that's materialistic, it first began in the spiritual realm, which is the 4D, I think. This is the 3D. So before I got this phone, I first had it spiritually. That's what I'm saying. For you to make it, you gotta make it first in the spiritual realm. You gotta see, you gotta feel it first before it can actually manifest. Yes, that's what I'm on. So guys, as you're working on your trading journey, learning, consuming all of this information, I mean, tap into your spirituality, man. Work on that too. Work on that too, and you'll thank yourself. Not me, you'll thank yourself later for doing that. Yeah, man. Back to the technicals. Back to the technicals. The skill. The skill, guys. Work on the skill. Work on the skill. Focus on the chart more than you focus on the trade. You know, I'm speaking in terms of Meta 5. You know, those things at the bottom. It says chart, then next to chart is trade, right? Chart is the graph, then trade is where you'll see your balance, your running trade. Most of you spend most of the time on the trade side. Spend more time on the charts, man. While you're on a trade, look at the chart instead of looking at the money fluctuating, because that is what's messing with your psychology and emotions. You'll find yourself out early on a trade or late. Focus on the chart, man. The skill. Fall in love with the chart, man. Love the chart. Love the chart, and it will reward you, man. It will love you back. It will love you back. Yeah, man. Focus on the skill. Because once you focus on the skill, man, once you focus on the skill and you get it right, you are set for a lifetime, man. You are set for a lifetime. You are set for a lifetime. I think also while on that, I think that's one of the things that kept me like behind. I should be far, truly speaking, because I know some guys that have been trading for like 2 years, but they're already making some bag, man. That's because like their psychology, their spirituality is on like the right state. Not that they are lucky, like they are in better partnership with the universe, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, man, work on the skill. Work on the skill. While on that, I bought myself a challenge, 15K challenge, Goat Funded Trader. You should check it out. I haven't gotten a payout. This is actually my first prop challenge. Yeah, I'm new to this prop thumb thing, man. And yeah, man, no complaints so far. No complaints. Let's just see if we can let's just see if we know what we're doing, man. As for me, I've been like complaining, or like not complaining, excusing myself with the fact that I'm in lack of capital, I lack funds. But like with this prop firm thing, that excuse now is off the table. It's invalid. Now we'll see if I know how to trade or not. Yeah, man. So I'm also challenging myself. Actually, I'm being challenged by the prop firms and myself at the same time. So yeah, man, good time to be alive. Watch through the video, and speaking honestly, this week I should have passed my first challenge, man. I missed trades. I didn't take trades that I was supposed to take. I only took 2 trades, right? Yeah, I only took trades. One hit TP. One is currently running. I think it's GBP, CHF, and the one that hit TP is GBP and ZD. And imagine, I executed GBP and ZD yesterday. Today morning, it was approaching TP and it hit TP. GBP Swiss, on the other hand, I took position on Monday, but it's still barely 50% in profit, man. It's still crossing my entry. It's going up and down my entry, man, but that's out of my hands. TP set, SL set. Now it's all in the hands of price action. Nonetheless, man, please subscribe, watch the video, and more videos, more content is coming. Love y'all traders. So I've been utilizing the Kindler range theory CRTR. I'm sure most of y'all know about that. So I'm looking at these four pairs this week: GBP, NZD, GBP against the Swiss, NZD against the Swiss, NZD against the Canadian dollar. We'll be looking for opportunities in four currencies this week. Only got 4 setups, which is enough. Well, it's just okay. So we have this. What's happening on the daily? On the daily, okay, not that clear. Not that clear. But we can see on the daily there. Okay. What I'm seeing here, for this to drop, look carefully, we had this. We had this and it dropped. For this to drop, we had this breaker block here. Yeah. We had that and it dropped. Now we have this. We have this. And it tapped in already on the hour 4. Got this beautiful bearish engulfing, bro. But I like to have like a third hit somewhere here before we can actually drop. If you get what I'm saying, something like this. Something like this. See? Something like this. See here? Like a third hit here. Yeah, man. See what's happening on the hour 1. What's happening? Yeah, I'd look to buy. I'd look to sell somewhere here. We're looking to buy somewhere here. This must be. This is what we're looking forward to this week. This my setup. Let's go payday. The weekly time frame. Let's see the GBP, the pound against the Swiss. I mean, we also got a beautiful candle range over here. For me, so right. So we're looking to sell GBP Swiss. Okay, already see possible bearish flag. Nah. Oh yeah, you think it's gonna fall flat? So let's check what's happening on the daily. You see the daily, ne? CRT. This one might be falling already, man. I don't know. This one might be falling flat. This might be falling already. Oh no. I don't know about y'all, but I'll be looking to sell right here. Market open, I'll be looking to sell. That's GBP against the Swiss. Let's check our fourth one. NZD against the Swiss. New Zealand Aussie dollar against the Swiss. No, not the Aussie, not the Aussie, the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss. Have a CRT here. See it, right? The last two candles. If you don't know what is CRT, there's a lot of videos right here on YouTube about CRT. It's a simple concept. If it takes out the high, target the low. If it takes out the low, target the high. And the body must be inside. It must be an inside candle. We say it swept because of the wick. If it's a full body and not a wick, that's not a sweep, that's a continuation. Yeah, so we wanna sell NZD. This is the third sell we're looking for. Hey, we say Lemos. No. Hey, I like to skip the daily, man. What's happening? Hey, CRT. Just like the previous pair. And a mini CRT. See what's happening. We wanna sell, right? Okay, you can see a fair value gap here. Yeah, so we're looking to sell it right here. Stop loss right above the sweep. Yeah, but this is not a very good, doesn't have a, I don't think I'm gonna take this one. It's not beautiful. So the last one, NZD against the Canadian dollar. So here we got a CRT. We wanna buy, okay. 3 sells, 1 buy. On the daily, this is a clear impulse and a correction. Tsenya Fibonacci. What's the Fib saying, bruh? What's the Fib saying? Alright, that's one violated. It's a violation. Smells like a violation. Ah, yeah. Think I wanna buy this one already. Man. What's happening on the Yawa one? Buying this one. This one we buying. When market open. Ish. I'll be sleeping by that time. But if you look carefully, we have a fair value gap right after this break. Got a fair value gap. We're in it right now. So this one is already active. I don't know how I'm gonna try this. So in other words, I'm only looking forward to trading the pounds, man. GBP NZD and GBP against the Swiss, I think, because they are those are the beautiful setups, man. Setups that make sense. Yeah, the rest to reward. Clean entries, ne? So GBP NZD and GBP CHF. So we're looking to trade on the first week of May 2026. Well, it's a Monday and the markets are open. What do we have here? So still looking at those 4 pairs. Remember this one, the GBP against the Swiss. I did say I'm looking to sell right at market open. See what happened? Market open, tagged in. Now it's running in. It's blue now, and I didn't enter because the spread is wild during the AMs. So I wasn't able to enter. As I was looking here, we have a clean fair value. Hence the sales. We got a clean fair value gap here. So here I'll be looking for some confirmation, candlestick confirmation for me to enter the sales to the downside. So we still got a chance here. Yeah, now the NZD, I said I wasn't gonna enter this one because it wasn't beautiful. thing is, I did not drop down to the hour one and refine the stop loss. I'm looking to enter it, but the stop loss will be right here. It's a 4-hour fair value gap, but we can see on the hour one that this is a sensitive zone, right? So the market may come, retest, and continue with the shorts. So NZD is our number one pair for now, because the other ones are violated. Like for instance, GBP NZD, it sold already. When I looked in deeper, we had a fair value gap here. Had a fair value gap here, and it was filled, right? Fair value gap was filled. So market open just like I think is the GBP Swiss, tapped into the fair value gap and went short. And again, we cannot enter trade as such because the spread is wild. The spread is wild during the AMs, man. So yeah, we missed out again on the New Zealand against the Canadian dollar. It went up already. Tapped into the fair value gap, but this one we saw that man, it's gone. We already saw that this one is gone. So man, this is my best chance. Also, GBP CHF may give me something. As for GBP NZD is gone. Also the NZD CAD, they are gone. NZD Swiss, please give me something, man. Please give me some bread for the week. Yeah. So this is our best chance. Also, we still got a chance on the GBP Swiss. Yeah. GBP Swiss, GBP CHF. I think that we can all agree that this is a clear bearish engulfing, right? This is a clear bearish engulfing candle. Let's see. A clear one. A clear one. So I just took sales right now. Stop loss right above the fair value gap. I'll put a screenshot on the screen. I'm not risking anything more than $100. This is a prop account. I'll put a screenshot here. Basically, I have to put this account to, I think, 16.2. Yes, that's my target. Then I'll pass that will be me passing my phase one. Right now I'm at a drawdown of about 7%, and I'm looking to recover that with this trade. It's now a Tuesday. GBP Swiss still holding, still playing around. I've just entered my second position now, not so long ago, right here on the GBP and ZD, because I saw my initial trade just played out. Remember, it was like this. I wanted to sell right here. can see here, right here, that it tapped in. So I just took sell entries right now. Now the vibes, I'll put a screenshot somewhere on the screen. Yeah, man. As for NZD, I mean, it looks like it went to sell without retesting that zone of ours, and then NZD CAD was a straight violation, man. Good thing that we did not get a chance to take position, man. So that's it for now. It's now a Wednesday. GBP Swiss still playing around, but it's still in blues. GBP NZD. I woke up to this. I'll put a screenshot over here of the beautiful trade. GBP. Oh man, this ain't the fair value gap, man. This ain't the fair value gap. Yeah. Even. It's kinda like an order block. Yeah. GBP NZD. This is a beautiful trade, Buffett. A very beautiful trade. NZD against the Swiss. Okay, we might be having another setup right here. He came back to our zone, as I thought that it's gone. It came back. Now I'll be looking at it on the hour for some kind of rejection nyana, candlestick pattern nyana, mini CRT or bearish engulfing. Then we'll drop down to the hour one for a cleaner entry. Yes, so for now, this again, NZD chef is our number one. NZD CAD, son. This one, this one, this one. Could have made some bag over here also. Let's see how we could have cut this trade. I know now it's gone. Okay. Since we saw that when market was here, we went in position, right? I should have kept watching NZD CAD because right here it gave us bullish engulfing. It gave us a bullish engulfing here. See, a very beautiful one. Right after bouncing off this other block here, it gave us a beautiful bullish engulfing, right? You see, you all know what's a bullish engulfing, right? These two, which was a signal now, like to buy, right? And then drop into the hour one. Okay, let's see what time did the candle close. The bullish engulfing by 11 a.m. right? So by 11 a.m. we would be looking to buy. 11 a.m. Here's 11 a.m. Okay, 11 a.m. We'd be waiting for some confirmation now, but we can see that at 1 p.m. we had a confirmation here. The CRT nyana here. Here. This a mini CRT, right, which is a confirmation to go long. This is the entry. This is the entry. Bam. Bam. Yeah, man, but things like this happen all the time. Ain't no sweating. Ain't no sweating because like GBP and ZD pulled through Buffet too. GBP and ZD pulled through for us. And it's all beautiful, man. Now we're looking at K still holding GBP against the Swiss. So now I'm watching GBP and NZD against the Swiss. I'm watching GBP against the Swiss. I don't know what it wants to do now, but I'm not in position yet. I'm still waiting for like some CRT or bearish engulfing. Then I'm gonna jump to the other one for some entry. Yeah, man, that's it for now. It's now Thursday, and this is the price action for NZD CHF. I don't think I'm still looking to execute this, keeping in mind that it's Friday tomorrow. It's almost end of the week. Yeah, man. This is the price action for NZD against the Swiss. This fair value gap is invalid, was violated. Also, this order block, if it's an order block, was also violated. So like I'm no longer looking to trade the NZD CHF. It's all over the place. And I mean that leaves me with GBP CHF. Yeah. This instrument is very stubborn, man. Very stubborn. And it's hurting me because the commission or the swap there, GFT, man, it's crazy. It's crazy. I think now it's about, I'll put a screenshot here. The commission there at GFT now, it's around $50 plus. I don't know how I'm going to counter that. Man, GFT is doing too much, man. GFT, come on. You're doing too much. Meaning, if this trade were to hit stop loss, that's minus 150 USD plus minus one. Come on, man. GFT, you're doing a lot, man. You're doing a lot. Also, GBP. Hey. Okay, if I get some rejection yana here, I'm gonna enter more cells. I'm gonna press more cells because there's a fair value gap there. Yeah, man. So if I see my rejection yana here, I'm gonna press. GBP against the Swiss doesn't wanna move me. And I'll remember this instrument. I'll remember it. So that's it. I'm only left with GBP Swiss. I'm only left with GBP Swiss and Dala. So yeah, man, that's it for Thursday. It's now a Friday. It's now a Friday, and the GBP CHF is still twerking, man. GBP CHF is still twerking, brother. At this point, it's hitting my account. If it continues like this, soon I'll be holding the loss while my position is positive. Aye. GBP CHF, man. Also GFT. It's a toxic combination. A very toxic combination. So today is a Friday. If this trade, I ain't holding this throughout the weekend. So if this trade doesn't hit my TP by the end of today, I'll close this trade manually. And I'm aware that today we have the release of NFP. I'm not sure if this instrument will be affected by NFP because it's not a USD pair, but I know that NFP is big, man. Well, it used to be, but I know that it's full of shenanigans. So I'll be live at 2:30 just to see what will be going on. But yeah, man, I'm still looking to enter more sales on this fair value gap if it does reach today. If not today, I'm getting out of this trade, honestly. It's currently 20 minutes to 11, or 18 minutes to 11 to be exact. We approaching market close, and I've already closed my positions on GBP CHF. I don't want to risk the swap being bigger than my position itself, so I've exited. Amen. It was an okay week. Keeping in mind that it was my first week of logging in and being consistent. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, and by the way, here's what happened. Wasn't able to record. I didn't even enter. This candlestick is from the NFP release. It did tap into that fair value gap. See, this candlestick is the candlestick of NFP, tapped into that fair value gap. It now is playing under the fair value gap. This would have been a good trade. I exited it with a sore heart, to be honest, because yeah, man, it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Anyways, I'll be dropping videos like this every week. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, because like I'm saying, I'll be doing this every week. You guys, I'll post a screenshot of the PNL and my dashboard. Not my dashboard, but like my performance on this account. Yes, man. Appreciate you if you reached this far. See you on the next video.